This video is to go over how a MapShare recipient would download the viewer and then view the map. So if a Map Business Online user has used the public MapShare feature and they've created a public URL, they could then email that to someone else. So the person can just paste this in their browser, or they can click on the link and it'll start you to our viewing page. Right up top it says if you've already downloaded and installed the viewer, just click the green button. So if this is the first time, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click the next option down to download the map viewer. We can see that the little MSI file is being downloaded in the lower left corner of Chrome. Once that's done, we can just click on it to install it. And this will just take a moment. And so what this does is it automatically will start our Map Business Online viewer. What they can do is then paste that link from the email into that viewer. Okay, so the MapShare recipient can now open that saved map. So let's go through again. Now that we already have the map viewer installed, let's click on that. Let's go ahead and we'll click View the Map, and we'll click Open Map Business Online Viewer. And so once it's installed, kind of takes the guesswork out of it. You can just always click on that map again. And there we go. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks and have a great day.